Hi friends, today I'm going to teach you how to spot the major aspects in an astrology chart. So here we have the standard sign setup with Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces in their natural order, with Aries being the first sign and Pisces being the 12th. So for our first aspect, the sextile, we need to look at the polarities of the signs. So Adam and Eve were in the Garden of Eden. Adam, or Ad, is always masculine. So the first sign, the third sign, the fifth sign, the seventh, and so on, all of the odd numbers are masculine. Another way to spot this is that all the fire signs and all the air signs are masculine, whereas Eve, or even, is always the even numbers of the chart, which would be Taurus, Cancer, etc. And these are all the earth and water signs. So for a sextile, what we'll be looking for is the nearest sign of the same polarity. So let me show you. If we had a planet at about 20 degrees Aquarius, a masculine sign, and a planet at about 20 degrees Aries, a masculine sign, then this would create a sextile of 60 degrees from masculine to masculine. In the same way, if we had a 10-degree planet in Scorpio and a 10-degree planet in Capricorn, we would have a sextile there as well, from feminine to feminine. So from one of the same gendered sign or polarity sign away is a sextile. Easy as that. Next, we move on to the square. A square is 90 degrees away. And to find the squares, all we need to know are the modalities of the signs. There are three modalities: cardinal, fixed, and mutable. Aries, Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn, 1, 4, 7, and 10, are the cardinal signs. The fixed signs are Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, and Aquarius. And the mutable signs are Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius, and Pisces. So to find a square, we look for the next of the same modality. So for example, if we had a planet at 15 degrees Gemini and a planet at 15 degrees Virgo, then we would have a square. Simple as that. So that's a mutable to mutable square, a mutable square. And if you also had one in Sagittarius and Pisces at 15 degrees, then you would have a grand square across the whole thing, or a grand cross. So this would turn into a square, and this would turn into a six-sided thing. Okay, next we have the trine. Trine is very simple as well. All we need to look for is the element. So Aries, denoted in red, is a fire sign. Same with Leo and Sagittarius, also in red. Next, we have Taurus, which is an earth sign, Gemini, which is an air sign, Cancer, which is a water sign. So to find a trine, we always look from one planet with an element to another planet with the same element. So, say we had a planet in 25 degrees Cancer and a planet in 25 degrees Scorpio. That would make a trine, because they're both water signs. Alright. And lastly, we have the opposition, which is the simplest aspect in an astrology chart. And that's when anything is directly across from another planet, such as Taurus and Scorpio, or Aquarius and Leo. And with all of these planets, with all of these aspects, we'll be looking for anything with about 8 degrees or less of separation. Alright, that's that. I hope this helps and that you guys can spot all the aspects in your charts. See you next time.